Hello guys, welcome back to another video of the TCG Bros, which the name will be changed eventually to Crisantos Bros probably. But yeah, we have all these slimes here. Slimes are pretty cool. I like playing with slimes, but I'm kind of an amateur. Like when reviewing slimes, because compared to other things, slime is pretty it's pretty distinct in how you kind of have to record it. So yeah, I'll be recording first the non-sticky things, and then the sticky things, and then the random crap. So anyways, we're gonna start with this. So yeah, this is very thick. It's pink. It's pretty stretchy, although it's pretty rough around the edges, not gonna lie. It can crack. Just saying. And it's not sticky, if you couldn't tell by now. Stretch it one last time. There you go. And it does fart. Okay, whatever. So yeah, this one, my mom basically added these pellet thingies because she thought this slime was pretty bland by itself. That is technically cheating, but this slime is pretty cool. So yeah, it's basically a more kind of stickier version than the last one. It does pop because of the beads, which does make it kind of satisfying. Oh yeah, and it's pretty stretchy. Look at that. And then you can make it look like someone put ice cream. Not really. That would be pretty disgusting ice cream. I wouldn't eat ice cream with white things in it. Unless if it were white chocolate bits. Let's put this back. I'll have to be back in 2 seconds very quickly. I gotta wash this off. I could just put it back, maybe. Whatever. Okay. 2 slimes down. A bunch to go. Oh yeah, and one thing. This technically isn't slime, which is what my mom told me. We're just gonna save that for later. So now we have these Scentos. They're basically scented. This one's cloud slime, and this one's butter slime. I'm pretty sure cloud slime's fluffy, while butter slime's smooth but kind of hard. So now we're just gonna play with them. This one's supposed to be scented chocolate chip. It smells a lot more like marzipan. It's kind of like this nut, I think. Very distinct smell. Oh yeah, cloud slimes are known to do this. Kind of little spider webs with stuff in them. Oh yeah, and these chocolate bits do fall out. That is kind of a bummer. Not gonna lie. So yeah, just gonna play with this. It is very stretchy, although it basically kind of crumbles in your hands. Well, not crumble, but it's very soft. It does not pop since it's too soft to even pop in the first place. So yeah, it's very smooth. It's kind of like putting solidified or compacted sand in your hands, and it does leave a bunch of residue. it kind of looks like I just stuck my hand into a bunch of salt. So yeah. Cloud slime, scented, a bunch of stuff. Cleanup crew. Totally not awkward. Anyways, we have this butter slime, which is scented green apple. Let's check this out. Smells like a Jolly Rancher. That is pretty cool. And it is very smooth. I don't want this sticking to me since, you know, the pink one. So yeah, I'm gonna play with it. Very stretchy, like you can easily stretch this out. This one does not crunch either, because it's too soft, just like the cloud slime. Actually, it does sometimes make bubbles and then they pop. But yeah, it is pretty nice. It is mildly sticky, but it's not that sticky that's actually going to become a big problem. Unless, you know, like, stick 100 containers of this on you. Okay. Oh boy, now my favorite part. We're now going to the sticky section, which, I'll start with this. It's called glitter goo. Goo Lala. Okay. I guess it's kind of more for girls. So yeah, I'm gonna check it out. So it is actually moving, kind of like water. It feels pretty nice. I just put some green. Whatever. It's very sparkly. I wouldn't really call this slime, since I can tell that this thing wouldn't stretch that far. Let's be honest here. It can stretch, but like, if you pull it too hard, it's probably gonna break. Dang, it actually defied my thoughts. It is pretty stretchy. Will it crunch though? No, it won't crunch because these bits are like not exactly like popper. What? It is feels pretty good. I would consider it goo, what it says. You know what? Let's just get this fake slime over with, which is what my mom said. Oh my gosh. Well, there's actually 3 of them. Well, whoa. Buddy. This feels more like water. I'm gonna take one out, because they all basically feel the same. Wow, it's sticking a lot. Yeah, this is like kind of like water basically. Look at that. Is it stretchy at all? I can barely stretch it. It is not stretchy. I mean, once you like pull it out enough, yeah, eventually it becomes sticky. This could never crunch. You could try forever. You can die trying, but it's not crunching, buddy. Look, you can hear it like dropping. Not that elastic. If you just like force it to, you kind of have to wait for it to expand. So yeah. Did they all feel the same? So yeah, I'm just gonna put it back there. Okay, whatever. Anyways, now we have these 2, which are Nickelodeon slimes. They are scented, and they have these like tiny like objects in them. Let's just do this one. First, it's blueberry pie filling. It smells more like blueberry candy or like a blueberry icicle. Just saying. I'm only gonna take out some.